Okay, right. So yeah, I'm talking about this session. So asset2 normally will have only one argument, true or false. So no, but we can give one more extra argument just to the text to be displayed in the reports. Okay, so I'm checking that the title field is present. Okay, and we need to put driver dot find element by dot. We don't know the locator. Okay, just leave that locator for a moment. I put dummy. Okay, if that is present, then is displayed is fine, right? Is displayed is nothing but it check that is visible or not. So if that dummy is present, then this step will pass. If that dummy is not present, then the step will fail. So the dummy is that locator. Right now it is not available. It will be only available if developer properly do the development. Okay, so that is a reverse engineering. Means we are writing the code before we can see something. But now how to fill that dummy? We need to ask developer what is the ID for that. Okay, so then what developer will give? Example, maybe he will give something like it is title, right? So he will put that as title, TITLE. ID is equal to title. Okay, or name, whatever it is. Okay, it can be anything. We don't know, but he will communicate to you. This is the ID. Take it. Okay, but is that enough? How many we need to provide? We need to check that whether we have other options or not. Okay. Body, right? See, these IDs are given by developer. Okay. So the other thing, title is body and ratings, right? So that radio button. So that radio button even we don't know. Okay. Think that. What is that? The rating. Okay. Now give me 1 minute. I will try to get the real locators. Okay. Give me 1 minute. You can't see anything, right? Wait. What I will do, I'll go to Srikanth. Very slow internet. Come on. So I'm trying to get the locators. That's it. Okay, so that I can just switch and run the actual locators. Give me 1 minute. But in real time, who will give the locators? Developer will give the locators. If developer don't give the locators, what you will do? Complain to BA. That's it. If BA is not available, who will complain? Scrum Master. If Scrum Master is not available, yeah, exactly. Perfect. We go home. That's it, right? If people are not cooperating, means what does that mean? It's not agile. So will ever we will work in non-agile environment? No. Will you work in TCS? No. Even though I give 50K also, you will not join, right? అదేం లేదు సార్ అంటావా? That's fine. At that time, okay, so I'm cutting the real locators. Okay. Yeah, look back. I got the locators. Okay. Yeah. See. So that are the real locators. Okay. So I got the locators, and ideally based on that we'll continue to do the other things. Okay. So what is that? He provides the title with this. So we need to put that title value, right? So what I will do, because I got the locator, I'll simply copy this and paste it here. I'm entering the title as, okay, and this is the one. Okay, what is the method? What is method to type the key? Yeah, okay, okay. The same way. This is all cakewalk. This is all small, little bit small kids also can do all these things. Okay, send keys. Okay, so I'm in. Entering the review as, okay, and what is this? Set the rating as to be good. This is the problem. This is radio button. Now we need to use XPath. Okay, because it is, so we have 5 review buttons. Think. Okay, we can do this. Okay, see again. Now Java. So what is the thing is, see, I got the locator for, we have 5 radio buttons. First radio button have locator called add products rating -1. Second radio button have 2. Third one have 3. Fourth one have 4. Fifth one have 5. Okay. So now if but are we giving 1, 2, 3 or 5 in our step? What we are giving?
Good, very good.
Good. Okay. So now here is good at test data or the step? Good. Is see, we can give good to very good, bad and everything. So will we have 5 steps for 5 things? No, only 1 step is enough, right? Yeah. So instead of good, now good is a test data. Okay. So what the mistake I did is I just kept thought good as a normal thing. So what I can do, I can convert this as a test data here. Okay. And we can do anything. So come here, put that, see, just copy, paste this. This is a regular expression. Okay. Put it here. See, before your Cucumber had given you that the step. I am now modifying because I know how to do it. Okay. So what I am doing now, that is, and automatically that will come as a first argument, rating. Now what is saying, if rating, here we need to use a little bit of Java, equals ignore case, good. Means good is, what is the number of good now? 4, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So if it is good, then it is 4. Yes or no? So the ID is always, that is underscore 1, 2, 3. So that is the way the developer had designed. So if it's good, I am asking it to go under icon 4. I can directly give 4 here and do it directly. I can implement that. But why I am not doing? Because I am using BDD. I need to not put 1, 2, 3 or 4. I need to put the actual rating. This is good, bad, everything. So that is the BDD. Now in the implementation, I am just converting that good into 4. This nobody will see how I am implementing. That is my own thing. I can put any number 4, 5,000. Nobody will care about it. Only thing that they care about is this feature file. This should be clean and good. Okay. See, now it is taking it. So now if it is good, then it is 4. Okay. Likewise, else if, so now I am using actual Java. Okay. So my rating is very good. So if it is very good, what is the rating? 5. Okay, so I'll do this.
So we should use examples.
See, I'm just writing for the future purpose. Okay. Anyway, we got given good, right? Good is for 4. Okay. Anyway, I can like that. I can put it everything. See, we are only using the first, only one condition here.
Yeah. Can you use switch here?
Yes, we can use. We can use switch also. Why I'm using this is because I thought only implement if and else. Okay, we can use switch also. We can use this also. Okay, so if it is okay.
But for switch, if it's a number, I think it's easy. But if it is different string data, then it will get difficult.
No, in Java 7.0 they implemented that. Okay, in 6.5 Java 6.0 it was we can't do switch case by string, but now we can do it. Okay, okay, bad is 2, right? And very bad. That's it. Okay, if this is a nice thing to do. Else means he had not given good bad anything. He just said blah. Then we need to throw out in his face saying that as a dot fail, saying that input is given is invalid. Okay, what is invalid? What is the input? This is your rating. So rating is invalid, not input. Okay, let me put in properly. And fail. So we'll stop the execution here. Okay, so that step will stop here, because if you are giving a rating which is blah, is there any point to further testing anything? So that specific the step itself is false. Means there is your feature file is not good. So we'll stop in there. Okay. Anyway, save the review. We need to get the save button also, right? Okay. Okay. So success message we can do it. How we can do success message? There is something called tag name by body contain. So I'm just the text. Okay, contains. So I'm just so now I will get whole text that you can see as the end user. In that, what message you need to get? Just see the screenshots. I mean, see this specification document. So what he said, if it is success, what is the message you will get? Oh no, this success message. Okay. If I save it, rating selected bad, excellent. This must be okay. The other customers can okay. Message. Maybe if you put a success, I think that should be fine. Okay. So what we will do, we will put that as success. Okay. Okay. Let us put that. Okay. Success. If you can see a success there, then you are fine. So we need to put the assertion for this. Assert.assert2. Okay, and what is the condition? Checking that the success message is shown in UI. Okay, that's it. And do this comma find contains nothing but, first of all, this what this will do, this line will get all the visible text that the user can see. Okay, so this is something which we can't explain right now, but this is a shortcut to get the what you can see. There is one more method called driver.get page source. There is one more method, but that will give the HTML code. Don't do that. This is good. This will give the actual UI what you can see. In the complete UI, after this action, you need to check that you will get a success somewhere. So successfully you added some review. So if that in complete page, if I can see a success string or success text, then that means that my test case is passed. Okay. So ideally all the then conditions should have assets. So if you see that, does this have an asset here? Does this have an asset here? Okay. Set the rating. Set the rating. Set the rating. Set the rate. Oh no, we did a small mistake. Setting it right. Why we are putting is displayed? Because we copy pasted from here, right? Dot click. Okay. So we should not have assets for when condition, because when is an action, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you might have said me right. They're doing a blunder here.
You can hardly see when and then or whatever comes. I'm not really saying. Yeah, I'm just guessing the code.
Okay. See, here I have then. Whenever there is then, in that you will have assertions. Okay, I copy pasted from here. That's the reason why you are seeing this. This is not the correct thing. Okay. Anyway, I'm taking this out. Dot click. Okay, that's it. So now if I run, what should happen? It should fail. When next time when I run, what should happen? It should pass in the actual. Once the developer completes his development, it should pass. Okay, that is the idea. If that is done, we can go home for today. Okay, this is fine.
Click. Not
Oh no. Okay, thanks. Okay, that's it. So save the review. We need to have a save button locator. Okay, let me do this. Find element by what? Link text. I don't know what. I don't know. Maybe we'll put ID for a moment. Let's go back and see if we can get that. ID is equal to. There's no ID here. Okay, so I have a name here. I'll use that. Okay. Okay. Click. That's it. Over. So that scenario is done. Only one step missing is this. I should see an error message. Error message is also exactly like a success message, right? So I can just use the same thing. Okay. So only one step is missed. If this step is done, I'm done. Okay. So here, instead of checking that the error message, success message and error message are same, right? Whatever you see in the UI contains. That's it. Okay. All skeleton is now filled. That's it. Now, did I ever see a UI till now? No, I got all the dummy locators and I'm just using all my assumptions. Now everything should fail. So where it should fail? Tell me. Where it should pass? Which step should pass? Which step should fail?
When and then fail. Intel to give you the review.
Okay, so now tell me, what steps should fail? What steps should pass?
Intel to give the review from the step.
Okay, now tell me, what step should pass? What step should fail?
given is pass.
Okay.
Second is fail. From there everything.
They should fail. Now what developer will do? He will first implement, run it. Second will fail. He will first implement the second thing. Pass it. 2 lines will pass. Third line will fail. Then he will do one by one. Okay. Anyway, now let me run this. Exit presentation. How to run it? Now run it. Now see, it will fail. Should open a browser. You should open that Apple box, and then after that you don't get the link because it's not implemented. Okay. Okay, it went into Apple box, but did not see that link. This it will fail. Did not do the driver.quit, right? Browser will not close. Okay, that's fine. So it's running again. All the 3 tests will fail now. Okay, we have 3 tests. One the first one, second one we have 2 examples is equal to 3. So how many iterations? 3 iterations. So 3 times it will open. It will open 3 browsers. We did not put the driver.quit actually. Where do we need to put a driver.quit? We also have before and after, but before and after will be for every scenario. Okay, we also have before and after in JUnit, right?
Yeah.
We also before and after we have. So if we can put before and after, but the problem is it will open 3 times and end 3 times. Anyway, I will put that, but in the next class I will tell you there is something called hooks in Cucumber, which will be helpful. It's like a before class and after class. We don't have that as of now in Cucumber. Cucumber have a limitation that, write it down, Samba point. Okay, what are the limitations of Cucumber? Okay, or limitations of Cucumber. Cucumber don't have before class and after class annotations. Okay, next, Cucumber don't have beautiful reports by default. Okay, and Cucumber also don't have user cannot run the feature files from file. Sorry, user cannot run the files from the feature files.
If I right click on feature file, get connection and other features.
Yeah, but that is a problem. If you do that, it will run, but it won't run as a part of framework because
Will not connect to the step.
yeah, it won't connect properly because the problem is we need to load properties files and a little bit of configuration things is there. So that won't follow a process. It will run now, but that's not correct. You need to come as a part of framework. Okay. Okay, so it won't have a beautiful report. That's the problem. Okay. Okay, so this is a very ugly report, right? This is what the report that this is the Cucumber report that it had given. Okay, it's not very beautiful. I mean, see, if it is not giving, then what we need to do, sir? We need to write our own report. We need to configure our own reports. Okay, so we need to make it a little bit better reports. So that is one of the disadvantages of the Cucumber. Okay, it is giving, but it is not very good. But for now, we can exist with this. Anyway, now you can see that the steps are failed, right? Let's see that why it is failed. Second step is failed. Why it is failed? Say that no such element. So that link is not present. Okay. Now, so what we need to do? Now just give this to the your work is done. That's it. In BDD, you go to next story. That's it. Nothing else. No testing required now. Now from here, developer will take care of it because the locators are there. Now first thing that what he will do is he will implement the second line by clicking that, putting that link in the UI. He'll run it. That will work, but the next step will fail. Again he will go and put in the text box. Third step will fail. Put in one more text box. First step will fail. He'll put radio button. Fifth step will fail. Click on save button. He'll put a save button. Then if you put a save button, nothing will happen. Again the next step will fail. He'll put a success message. Excellent. One scenario will pass. Second scenario will fail because he did not handle the validations. Again he will handle the validations. Success error message is shown, but the running that he will not only run one scenario, he will run all the scenarios. So the success message things, if there is a problem with there is a bug with that. So if the success message is not coming, only error message is coming, then again there is a bug there. So he will go and fix that, so that he will make sure that is passing, this is also passing. So like that he will build it. Okay. So finally, how to now if you go and modify the URL into instead of S Angujala, go to Srikanth's website. Okay, which I'm secretly seeing from last so and so minutes. Okay, so go here. This is the URL that the developer had developed. Example. This is the developer environment. Now go. Now see what will happen. And yeah, we will not handle that close and this thing, right? Okay, so I will put this before. Okay, before. This is not JUnit before, it is Cucumber before. Okay, be very sure. Public void start browser. Okay, what I will do, these two things. Okay, similarly put after. Okay, driver dot quit. Okay,
Who will
that's
check
it.
our test cases?
Pardon?
Who will check our test cases? Whether they are running fine.
Developer.
No, not. Like we give the requirement to the developer. Sort of. That's how we do, right?
Yeah.
The logic which I put, for example, say for the radio buttons, it's wrong. So who would check that for me?
If your logic is wrong, developer will run it, right?
Okay.
Developer had run it. So he properly will implement it. But your steps are failing. So he will investigate why that step is failing. If that is step is failing because your locators are wrong, he will come and explain you. There's a problem with automation code. So it's again agile, right? So you will go and fix that and you will do it. See, to be practical, I'm telling. I should not say that, but I'm saying that developer will develop it. Again, automation tester have to go and run it. It is not that developer will always run. What he will do, he will see the scenarios and he will go and implement it. You have to make sure that you run it and make it into green. So it is literally you write the automation test, give it to him to develop it, his own code. But he won't run your automation test. He will develop it and give it to you. You run the test. If there is a problem there, you will go and fix it on the fly, right? So you will make sure that everything is implemented. Okay, that is a more practical thing. But at a theoretical point of view, he need to run. Okay, because he is a .NET developer. How he will know all these things? How he will know how to run everything? So any automation tester will be there, always running. So he will develop is a local machine. You will run the test in his local machine till you pass it. So you will be working closely with him. Okay. Anyway, what I did? I changed it, right? Okay. Now. So now it is Srikanth Gaud means he's a developer. Now he implemented it. Okay. Now fingers crossed, everything should be green. Okay.
So if you have 10 feature files, you need to create 10 step definition files or all in one? One.
Step definition file is nothing to do with the scenarios. It is to do with the steps. So if you have 10 scenarios, how many steps you will have? Common, unique steps. Maybe you will have only some 20. That's it.
No, 10 feature files on that, not the scenarios.
Okay, 10 feature files. Okay, just one minute. Failed. Okay, why it is failed? Because we missed a requirement. If you see here, I know what mistake I did. See here. If no reviews exist, then the link will be this.
Okay.
It is not add review link. It is this. If it is no reviews exist, then this is the thing. So what we need to do? You put an if condition. Okay. So that's fine. So what I will do? So I'm using find elements now. Okay. See, it is intentional. So if that links, sorry, if it is, it should be like this. Okay. Find elements. So if that element is present, how many links how many objects I will get?
One.
I'll tell you, wait, just a minute. It's a little bit of logic again. Okay. If find elements, if that is greater than 0, okay, dot count size means that's a list of elements. So find element is you will get an element, right? There is a method called find elements. Means what it will do, if you have two OK buttons, if you use find elements, it will give you two elements to you in an array, list of arrays. Okay, if you want just to read about what is the list of array, it is about list of arrays. So now how many it will give? If I have one, it will give 1. If I have no elements there, what it will do?
0.
It will be 0. That's the reason why I'm putting greater than 0. Okay. If it is greater than 0, what does that indirectly means? That link is present, right?
We can just use a true or false there, isn't it?
What?
Size, because it's only two kinds of links. Just if true, if false, then false.
What true now? I will not understand. What true?
Like if it was a radio button or something, then we would need arrays, right? If driver.find element by link text is this, then do this, or else do this. There
No,
will
no.
be two
This means what? Which method is that?
Like particular text.
So what you are saying? Okay. Now it is web element. Now tell me which method I need to use.
Or else we can just find like driver dot in the body, just find that text is there or not.
See, if the text is there, does that mean there is a link?
If that is there, this will not be there. If this is there, that will not be there. Whether it's a link or no, it doesn't matter.
No, developer implemented it, but instead of link, he just put a text. Now, what we are doing assuming that if the text is present, the link is present. So we will directly create an element of a link. Like through an exception, no such element found. Okay, so we should be 100% clear. So this is directly we are hitting on element. Okay, and giving that as this one. Okay, so we don't have is present or is existing. It like Selenium IDE, we don't have a command called is present. Why? Because there's a big thing behind it. Technically, WebDriver will only create an element if that is found. Again, what we are doing is the element is found and again found it is present or not. It is like saying Srikanth is here. Srikanth, are you here? That's the reason why there is no method called is element present, like JUnit. Okay, so like Selenium ID. It's a technical thing, but a little bit of tweak of that is this: find elements, count. So we are doing a trick. Or we can put is displayed and put a try catch also. Okay, but that will give you a lot of confusion about what is try catch. That's the reason why I'm making it a little bit simple. Okay. Okay. Else means I'm just assuming that if that is not there, then this will be there. Okay. Make sense? Okay. Fine. Let us see. Fingers crossed. This is done, then we are done with today. Okay, XPath I will tell maybe next class, because I think you already have everything, you have an ID here. Okay, if you don't get an XPath, I will tell you what to do it, but to explain XPath, then maybe next week I will tell. Okay. Oh no. Stop. I think we are unnecessarily doing a lot of things. Okay. Unable to locate it. No, right. I think that step went through. Okay, so 2 steps are done now. The third step we are stuck. Okay. So what we are doing, unable to locate the element of art title. So it is a problem here. So that specific thing is not okay. So this line is failed. Checking that this added preview is displayed. Add portal title review. Why it is failed? Okay, I'll give you a tip. You can do a debugging. What you can do is how to debug. You put your mouse here. Be very careful, okay? Put mouse here, you will get to that point. Now instead of running, put a debug. It's a small bug, right? Yeah. Debug is nothing to do with a bug, actually. Debug is nothing but we are running in very slow manner, stopping whenever we want. Okay, it's like a non-stop bus and a passenger bus. Passenger bus stops everywhere. You can see how many passengers come. Non-stop bus, express, what is that? Don't see how many people are there. It will goes. Okay. So debug is nothing but it will stop there. So now it will stop. We'll see what exactly is the problem. We got a problem now. What is the problem? It is sorry, wait. I know the problem. The problem is, see here, we found the element, but where is the click command? Okay. Okay, now okay, non-stop bus. When you're running, it won't stop. Okay, I'm running it now. Before that, I'm not confident. So I just want to think what is the problem, but I got the issue. This, this is just like a programming, right? Anyway, let us see how it goes. Excellent. It went to that page, and then again it failed at which line? Okay, so all the three things are found. Excellent. That step is present. So three lines are okay. Now the next line is it. Element is disabled, also may not be interacted with. Which element is disabled? That with this guy saying title keys is disabled. Oh, okay. Okay, so saying that this is disabled. Yes, is it real? Yes. So let us see. This is a common problem. So this
only login user can do it.
Only registered user can write reviews. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting.
Ethically, when you see it should be logged in. Like nobody can just walk in and just give and review.
Yeah.
Competitor will just set up.
Very good. Okay. So okay, that's fine. Let us create that. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'll implement that. Crazy, man. Crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy, man. Okay, so I'm just putting this, implementing this. So user is logged in. So okay, so what I will do is, I'm a lazy man, right? So if I'm a lazy man, what I will do? Who is my friend? Who is my friend? Okay, so what I will do,
You'll have to write login.
you know the any username password?
It's not taking for more than 5
Sir,
minutes.
yeah, it logs off and then you have to register again.
You'll have to register again.
Doesn't
I think
save
the
your
database is
registry
very
details. I
volatile or whatever.
registered for like 10 minutes.
But
Same-
it takes any email ID.
Same ID, I think.
You guys press it. Yeah.
No, it was like that from the beginning. It didn't give us chance to
You
press.
two at least, give 1 day break. 1 day you do, 1 day that.
Okay, see, if you got this problem, there is a little bit small solution for this. Okay, see if it is my test, it is Srikanth machine, right? So, okay, he not. No, I think here if you register, it will stay. Did you try demo.nopecommerce.com or Srikanth? Demo is always 10 minutes. Srikanth is our own database.
We didn't do that either.
Okay, yeah, this is, you try to do this. Okay, test at the rate of test.com. Insoft 12. Okay, okay, so login. Insoft capital I 12. Okay, excellent. Okay, so my Selenium ID is this. Stop it. I said right, I'm very lazy. So what I will do is I will simply
Format.
click and wait. So yeah, XPath. If you got a problem, example this button is there, some exam subscribe is there. Open Selenium ID, right click it, and you have something called verify value, anything. Okay, any kind of a verify or put anything on that specific item. Okay, do that, and now go to Selenium ID, and see, this is the thing, right? Click on this. It will give the XPath, 3 different kind of XPath it will give. Use any XPath.
That's what we've been doing till now.
So then you know how to use XPath, right? Then don't worry. Okay, that's fine. So I will also use that. Okay, that's fine. I mean, I'll tell about theoretically how to do it, but that is fine. Okay. So where is my ID? Oh no! Come on, man. Okay. Okay. Okay, login test at the rate of test.com. Insoft 12 login. Okay, so don't use CSS, just to use XPath. Okay, that's done. So what I will do, I will go and format into clipboard format. I think that should be fine. Or enable experimental features. Into JUnit WebDriver. Okay. Okay, so I got this right. So intelligently, you just take the code which is required from your that to this. Okay. If you know how to copy paste, you will get IT job. That's it. Okay. Now user is logged in. I added in the background. That's it. Now if you open and run it, how much time it take? Maybe 5 minutes. That's it. Okay. So yeah, once this is done, that's it. I will stop that recording. I'll upload that video into YouTube. Parallel, I will send you code and you can go home. Okay. So if it is green, you can go home. Pardon?
TestNG supports Cucumber.
No.
6, 7. Oh, yeah.
TestNG is nothing to do with Cucumber. That's the reason why we came to JUnit and Cucumber. TestNG is sidetrack.
But TestNG got more features than the JUnit.
Yes.
This is only we are using.
Yes, TestNG have a lot of features than JUnit. But only reason why we are learning JUnit is because JUnit is inside your Cucumber. Cucumber have a lot of features. I mean, Cucumber is what we will be using, right? What is again failed? User is logged in. Okay, why it is no such element called email? That copy pasting is a problem. Wait.
It should be username, not the email.
No, it is recorded code, right? I think why should be a problem?
Download iTunes. Download iTunes.
See, that's the reason I don't rely on
ID.
ID. Okay. Yeah, click and wait is there. It's all okay, right? Okay, debug. I don't know why is the problem. Let us see. Unable to locate element. Select the ID email. See. Okay, guys. So you guys, today I had demoed you how to do without seeing a UI, just for demo purpose and interview purpose. For you, what are the stories that you have? Write featured files, and straight away go and automate it. Okay, using Srikanth's website. Okay, so you can use still locators and everything. You just do normal practice. Don't try to do that I did today without seeing anything. Don't try to automate. Okay, that's just for the interview purpose. Okay. Okay, so that is there. So the problem is everything is fine, but the locator is a problem. Maybe ID is called email is there, right? What's the problem? ID clear. Send keys clear. Okay, it's fine. It's fine, right? What's the problem? Why it was not doing that some time back?
Probably you had to wait when we click
It's not
login.
going, the URL which you're giving is wrong, I guess.
No, that's fine. I think it's just maybe a weight thing or something like that. 99% of the problems that you will get because of the weight thing only. Okay, anyway, it will work. So okay, so that is okay. So till what step we went? We went till last step. Okay, so there should be a success message. That is the problem. Okay, so we'll put a breakpoint there, and we will. So that everything is passing except final success message stuff. So it is failing here, right? So it is not getting that success. SUCCESS. Okay, so let us go and debug that. If it is again failing at that email box, then there is a weight problem. Otherwise, there is no problem. Okay. Yeah, fine. Oh my God. Add a review dot click. We need to use WebDriver weights. Okay. So I will put it for your purpose. WebDriver weight is equal to new WebDriver weight driver 120 seconds.
I got up then and there because every time I got up, I opened my laptop and I checked the task. Till date, I know that you have to do true or false. So always do it yourself again. You'll remember.
Okay, so this is one of the explicit weight that we are using. Okay, just see, this is the case. What is happening is the page is loading, but this element is hidden at that point. Okay, so we need to wait little bit of, we need to wait for some time, but how long we wait, we don't know. That's the reason why I just kept this. Hopefully this will work. Okay, see, even you are expert also, you will always have first go, you can't automate. Take little bit of time. Okay, so for me, I need to understand why it is doing. I just kept this so that it will provide some buffer time for the page to load. Okay. Add your review. Come on, click on that. Come on, very slow, man. Okay, fine. Okay, so till that it is fine, but the problem is success message. So what we can do is we can manually go and check that what is the message, or no, we need to manually do it. I don't like it. So what we'll do, go to that last step, we'll put a debug point there. It is already there. Okay, so we'll run in debug mode now, and you will see that WebDriver weight is working now. Previously it is failing because the page is loaded, but the elements are not properly loaded. A little bit of Ajax kind of a things. We kept WebDriver weight there. We see that. That's explicit weight. Okay, so if you know that two commands, that's it. You know all weights. Okay, so that will help. That's the reason why I kept in that code.
We have not used explicitly weight as of yet. We have been talking implicitly weight.
We use explicit weight right now. Yeah. Implicit weight also I put it weight.
No. We know that
implicit weight.
Srikanth taught us implicit weight. Okay. He didn't teach us explicit as of yet.
Oh my god, this is creating. Should see an option. Unable to locate title. Crap, man, crap. This is explicit weight, but sometimes explicit weight also will not work. There is some problem. Put thread dot sleep weight. Maybe 3-5 seconds. Try this. Okay, I'll explain about explicit locate. There are a lot of types. Okay, let us stick to this for a moment. And then if it did not work, then I will use this. I'm commenting it for a moment. Okay. That's the reason why you should have a proper framework. You don't have a framework right now. We're just doing driver.find element. But if you don't have a framework, what happens is, so these kind of things will never. I mean, this should go into methods and implementations, and it should go behind the screens. You should only get methods like okay, add an element, delete element, add a review. That's it. We should not have driver.do that, do this, and all, because we are at very earliest stage. We are doing all these things, but for practice purpose, this is fine. Okay, but if you go to real time, if you have nice company, lot of code, then all these things they already will handle it. So for you, it will be, if you got this kind of problem, your code will handle it automatically. Okay. fine. Okay, so now it is okay. Looks like we'll run it again. Okay, now we came here, right? What is happening after successfully? See, XUCC successfully. This is I know, but the problem is I just kept success, right? Okay. Is that okay now? Okay.
Success also would be fine, but to put capital.
Capital. I should not. I may have to do that. Maybe I should make it a lowercase and might have to do it. That's fine. Hold. Take this. Okay, just a minute. ఇది అయిపోతే ఇస్తాను. So, okay guys, so you got your stories, right? Everybody got what you want to, what your pays, or you know the requirement, right? So just the way that I had written feature files, you do it, okay, and then make sure that you are 100% happy, and then go and automate it. I'm giving this, so you all guys create one feature file on your name. Don't put anything else. I want to collaborate everything. So create a feature file name, Madhusudan dot feature file. And then put your feature files into there. I mean the scenarios into there. Okay. And finally, we can collaborate later. It is all there in this project actually. Okay. Hello. అయిపోయింది నేను ఇంటికి వచ్చేస్తాను. ఓకే ఓకే సరే ఓకే అయిపోయింది వచ్చేస్తాను 10 నిమిషాలు వస్తాను. బాయ్ బాయ్ బాయ్. తినడానికి ఏమొద్దమ్మా. Okay. Okay guys, so this is a report we got. Okay, but unfortunately there is a problem here, so anyway we'll put this background here. Okay, and is like a joker, we can put and anywhere for anything. Okay, run it. Okay, so it would be almost like again second one is almost same thing, but the other message you need to know what the messages will happen if you put that. Okay, so I think you guys can do the second one. We'll put an explicit wait here also. I think sometimes this is creating a problem here, right? So what I will do here is for the email stuff, okay, run it again. See, every time when you run it should work. If it is failing at least one time also, that will create a big problem if you are running in real time. So I'm just trying to fix 1000 times you run also it should work. See, this login thing, it was creating a problem some time back. Now it is okay. Malli again sometime it is again creating a problem. The most problem which is happening because of the internet speed only, I know. But still I should not say that internet is slow, that's the reason why it is failing. That's not we should not do that. As an automation tester, 1000 times you run it should pass, so that the company can rely on my automation. Okay, anyway, I think that this time it should work. Perfect. Okay, so you can generate a report like this also from IntelliJ. Do this, you will get, okay, so one that is created, you will get this. This is one report. Okay, last time I showed you, right? JUnit report. Like that you will get this Cucumber report also. Okay guys, so that is for today. I'll send you code and everything. Hopefully I'm telling we are going very slow in the pace. Just want to make your basic strong. This class is the most important class from theory, from practical point of view. Remaining from next class onwards, I will go with the theory, page object model, continuous integration, BDD, all theory, all interview questions. So that is all interview point of view. But this is the basic. If you don't know this also, don't even apply for the jobs. If you don't know how to write feature files and implement step definitions, no, there's no point of doing anything. Okay, so whatever we done today is the most important thing. Okay, so I will send this. I will upload this in what you called YouTube. Okay.